Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm giving back to the laser community once again. This is the free design that I'm giving out this time. This is going to be celebrating my new shop here. So all of you YouTube viewers or email subscribers or anybody who wants to visit the new shop and help support the channel, I would really appreciate it. But there is no purchase necessary. This is just a completely free design that I'm giving out to the laser community. So if you're just getting started with your Glowforge and you want to try like a 3D design for your first time, here's a really good design, a high quality design I put together for free. I'll show you how to get to this just real quick. I want to let you know this is titled Resting Lid Candy Box. I intend to use it for individual like wrapped candies. That's why I named it that. Otherwise, you can use this for anything really, puzzles, who knows, anything that you want. Just keep in mind that this lid sits loose. It just rests right inside this track, hence the name. So if you turn it upside down, that could potentially fall out if you got something important in there. So just a heads up, this is meant for just setting on a shelf, opening and closing that lid pretty often. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into how you get this design. All you need to do is open up your web browser, type in freshstartcustoms.com. It'll launch to our website here. As you can see, our nice little lovely banner. You can shop all designs if you want to. Otherwise, scroll down just a little bit here. As of this video, it's going to be the first item, real easy for you to find in the newest designs. As I add new designs, this is going to start shifting over and it'll eventually disappear here. And if you need to find it after that, all you need to do is go up to shop, click on all of our designs, sort by like alphabetical order, go to the letter R for Resting Lid Candy Box, or you can just type in Resting Lid Candy Box in the search button up here on the top right. So those are how you get the design. You just add it to your cart. Like I said, no purchase is necessary, and then you can just check out right from there, download it instantly or download it from your email. If you want to support the channel, check out some cool designs here. We just added a really cool sauce holder here for any like leftover sauces from fast food restaurants. I would appreciate it if you do want to make an extra purchase along with it. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy your free box there. I can't wait to see photos of what you guys make with it. I have seen people make some pretty cool things with that box so far. Other than that, though, it's been Josh here with Fresh Start Customs. I hope you like and subscribe. And if you want to subscribe to our newsletter for like bigger discounts for this website, just click on Join Our Newsletter right up at the top here. Drop your email right there, hit submit, and then we'll hit you up with some bigger discounts. Otherwise, if you want public discounts, those will always be on this top banner bar here for you to have access to as well. So other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.